Hey there! If you're on the hunt for a keyboard that's both beginner-friendly and packed with features, look no further than the RockJam 61-key electronic keyboard piano super kit. This all-in-one package is designed to get you playing right out of the box and includes everything you need. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this keyboard a fantastic choice. Key features. 1. Complete super kit. The RockJam 61-key super kit includes the keyboard, a sturdy and adjustable stand, a comfortable padded stool, high-quality over-ear headphones, and a reliable power supply. This means you won't need to purchase any additional accessories to start playing immediately. 2. 61 full-size keys. The keyboard features 61 full